They're in the middle of a simulation. I had just made a how to do video and caught this at the very end because this is our last stop. And to show you guys how to do this stuff. And then I saw the simulation, so I scrapped the whole video so I could get this. But I'm still going to show you how to do this. But as the sun keeps coming to the left, the curtain of blue keeps going to the left. Can't pass up a good simulation, that's for sure. Hope you had a great weekend. Ooh. Just keep your eyes peeled for everything in here. Yeah, sweetness. Look at that touch of pink, white, yellow. Look at all the colors. And then how that's cut out. Perfect hologram. If this doesn't take too long, I'll be able to fit in the how to travel the network webcams, which networks I use, and to show you how to use the screen recorder. That's what was on this video before I came across this, like I said. Yeah, look at that. Oh, there's more right there. Does that look like the sun anymore? No, it looks like an object. It's like it dissolved, the sun dissolved into the earth somehow. I'll give it another minute. I want to show you how to come here and do this yourself. Even if you don't want a channel, you can sit and watch this. But if you learn, you know, a screen recorder and download that, you could tape these, each one of them, and make your own little library. And date it all, and you'll have a record of how things progressed. In the future. Okay, it's somehow coming back. That there is very amazing. Alright. Coming over here now. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and show you how to do this. Look at that. Alright then. So I come to the ISS. This is what I choose to go on. Okay, this is what you want. If you want to see the simulations, you're gonna go under this. Alright, NASA TV, I don't bother with that ever. ISS, we don't own this one anymore. I think China owns that completely. I'm not sure, but I think so. Okay, that's the tracker. I don't bother with that. Earth HD. This is previous videos. Always, archived. You can always go through those and catch a lot of stuff. It's really cool, actually. Also, there's the Ibuki satellite. That's in Chinese, which is still pretty cool. Alright, so that's the ISS. There is what you need. Alright, I'm going to back out of this. Alright, I've already connected to all these. So, Skyline, FAA, Aviation Weather, and then we have the WEBCAMS. See that? WEBCAM.com network. This is FAA Aviation Weather Cameras, avcamsfaa.gov. And this is the Skyline. We'll do that one last because that's the biggest pain for me. Alright, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to press that one. Okay, this is WEBCAMS. There's that. Alright, so on the left hand side we have is all of the states in our country. Alright. And on the bottom half, on the left, we have worldwide. All the places. Those are the places you can go to. Alright. We're going to take you somewhere else now, over to Skyline. Alright, so this is Skyline WEBCAMS. It's your address right there. And these are the locations. Alright. I guess I'm still trying to get a secure connection because it's... Okay, we're loading. Alright. These are the locations. What it looks like. So here we have the countries. You pick it and it shows you every camera that's there. Okay? Or you can come over here to beaches and it'll show you all the beach locations in pictures, and city views, landscapes, and sport. This one here is top live cams. And we're going to go to the FAA Aviation Weather Cams. Now this is a fun one. It's really fun. But let me show you how to do it. So you can, on this one, zoom in and out. And you hit one of these locations. You don't even have to hit it. Just go over it and it'll tell you exactly what it is, where you're at. You want to stick with the little green dots. Okay? So we'll go to Wales real quick, just to give you an idea here. Alright, it's going to show you its cameras. Oh man, I wish we had time for this. I haven't been over here in a while. But it's a loop of what happened. I guess we will do it. We'll see how long it takes. This one's a little more complicated. I always know what's on here by watching these little things. Just look at the little pictures and you'll know if there's something exciting on there that has transpired. And If you wanted to go through all of them, you just press play and it'll show you everything like so. And this is what took place there. It's a loop. It's pretty cool. Alright. And use your little stop and whatever. Okay, so I just hit the X, and then I hit that X, and I'm out. And then you just do it everywhere. Check them all out. Takes forever. Takes hours if you really want to look hard. And this is Screencast-O-Matic Screen Recorder. And that's it right here. You hit the free one for 15 minutes. You can upgrade. It costs a little bit more. It's no big deal. I go with the 15-minute always. You could back up your recordings. So, Screencast-O-Matic, free 15. Because of the simulation in the beginning, I came back to see what we could catch. Just for a second, because I want to take you to the Ibuki satellite real quick. So you hit that. We're under live 2, and it'll show you what's going on right now. And I'm getting a secure connection, and if it stays black, it's because they are doing something, which it seems that they are, and people here, they're waiting. And this is the Ibuki. So I press that. It's not giving it up. Okay, so this is it. It's in Chinese. And that'll be the, or so they say. And it doesn't seem to be okay, it's moving very slowly. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Alright? You can enlarge it. Alright, we're going to swing back by the ISS. So we're back here to the ISS. And it's not moving. The Earth is not spinning. Sometimes that happens. Eventually, I guess it will. I might still be waiting for a secure connection. I don't know. And don't be click happy when you're on these webcam networks, because there's a lot of information that's being loaded to your computer. So give it time to get there. Okay, we're over here to Earth HD. And over here, you can find things like this. Okay. Follow that line. And you can move it forward and backward to different places. My connection's real bad right now, so it's just not doing it for me. Okay, we're going to close this video out with ISS-2. This is live streaming right now. I want to thank you all for coming by. I hope this was a help for anybody who's interested in doing their own channel. And even if you just want to watch, hopefully you have the information that will help you now. God bless you all. I wish the connection was a little better, but it wasn't. So, but hopefully it does help. Alright, I'll see you on the flip side.